Using a plastic panel non-marring removal tool like this one will help you not scratch your dash or your doors if you happen to make a mistake. So start by pulling off this silver trim piece. Start at the top and make your way around. It is a little difficult around this area. Once you get inside this door handle, for some reason it's kind of locks in there a little bit more. So take your time with it and just pry at it until you can get it off of there. I'm showing this in real time so you guys can kind of see how long it takes. And there's a piece, and there's the back of it. So next, we're going to take this little black piece off right here. Using your panel tool again, pry it off. And there'll be one Molex plug behind it. It's just a simple push the black tab down and pull straight backwards. Now let's remove these screws and this bolt. I forgot to check, but I think it's a 10 millimeter. Let me know in the comments below if you guys figured it out, but I forgot what it was, but I think it's a 10 for all these bolts here. So there's 3 bolts, one right there and 2 on the bottom. And once you're done with that, go ahead and remove this metal piece and put it to the side. So now let's go ahead and remove this window switch using your panel removal tool. And you're going to have 2 Molex plugs. It's basically just push down and pull backwards for both of them. This little bolt right here, 10 millimeter, go ahead and remove that. I should have used my my gun, but I couldn't find it, the adapter, so I used the socket wrench. So it took me a little while, but once you remove that bolt, go ahead and pull on the bottom of the door and pull straight up, and you should be able to remove the door. Here also is a 10 millimeter. Is a 6.5 inch speaker. If you guys need more info on this vehicle, I have a video on the polarity of the wiring and also the RTA signal coming out of the stereo. It basically just shows if it's full range, crossed over, or what's coming out of the factory stereo. So I'll have a link in the description area below about that video also. If you liked the video, make sure to like it. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below. I'll try to answer it. Thank you.